Hello and welcome back, and what you're looking at is my lighting resource file. Basically, this is a file that I've compiled over the past few months, 2 years of work in Blender, both commission-based paid work, professional work, and personal work. And these are the setups that you see in the middle. So the Light 1, Light 2, Light 3, these are the setups that I found have worked for me beautifully whenever I was completely lost with lighting. This is something that I saw a lot of people struggle with, both professionals and absolute beginners. Especially with beginners, you can see some people have great models, great textures, but they often fall flat when it comes to lighting. Here is a collection of several lighting presets that I oftentimes use. I start off with the preset and then I kind of correct it relative to the need of the projects that I'm doing. So let's take a closer look at this file. As you can see, we can just switch between the visibility of these, and there's also a particular reason as to why they are organized as they are. So whenever I'm working on a project and I need a preset, I just go and append the collection of the lights and then customize them to the scene that I'm working on. We can run through some of these, but these essentially change either the direction, the orientation, the strength of the light. Some of them are meant to be kind of overexposed. Some of them are meant to be lower exposure, super harsh, softer lighting. So you can definitely find something for everyone. In this case, I also have my background turned off, so it's transparent. You can just go under Film, click on transparent, and your backgrounds are going to appear again. So many of these I've used for characters or products. These are not meant to be environmental lighting scenes. That's a completely different workflow. But I think if you have a character or a model or something that you would like to showcase or animate super easily, but don't have the time now to study from scratch the whole lighting process, these are, I think, are a great way to start. So like I said, these are presets that are just made to get you a head start. You can then customize them to your own wishes. Let's try it out. So for example, I have this Genesis male, but let me turn this guy off, and I've already appended a different object here, which is this little robot. Let me just get him into the scene. So whenever I have him centered like that, I'm just going to turn off the armature, or maybe just the whole view thing. Like right off the bat, that's great. You make a platform on the bottom, you arrange a bit the background, and it already works. The best part here is also you can just choose the camera. Right now I'm working at 110 millimeters, but I oftentimes just adjust it. This is again scene dependent rather than this preset dependent. You can see, and if we start scrolling through different sets of lighting, you can see each and every one has their own specific vibe. I really like this backlit one. If I saw that I really like this backlit one, but I'm not really appreciative of the right side, you can see that there are like darker spots, I would just use this preset and then put like fill type of light inside. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Hopefully you've learned something new. As always, there's a free resource file in the description below. More than welcome to download it and use it at your own will. Leave a like, leave a comment if you'd like to see this turned into an add-on, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.